In this video, I will demonstrate the advantages of working with multiple viewports in the model space. Do not confuse the Paperspace viewports with the Modelspace viewports. They work a teeny bit different in this, that we are actually dividing the workspace into different zones or windows, if you like. Let me show you an example. In this drawing, I have two-dimensional as well as three-dimensional objects. In order to speed up my performance, I need to navigate not only to different areas of my drawing, but I also want to view the three-dimensional objects. What becomes a real challenge is that when you are using a workstation, that is not the fastest graphics machine on the market. So, all you have to do is to follow the next few simple steps in accomplishing that, without upgrading any hardware. We find this functionality under the context-sensitive menu. So in the model space, I have a plan view of my drawing. I will right-click, select viewport, and here we have quite a few options to choose from. Feel free to experiment, as I'm sure that your needs and likings will differ from mine anyway. I will select 3 right. Notice the blue rectangle around the window. This tells us that this is my active window. To change my active window, just click on the one that you want to work in and the focus is changed. So let's change the view in the windows, as they can function independent from each other. In the right hand window, I will orbit together 3D view of my model. In the top window, I want to have an elevation view. So I will change the focus to that window. Then from my toolbar at the top, I will click on front view. Using the wheel button of the mouse, I will then pan and zoom to get the view that I want. In the bottom window, I want to get a closer view of the plan area. Using the same buttons on the mouse, I will pan and zoom until I have the view that I want. Now look at the power that you have. I'm going to select one of the objects in the 3D window, and I will point out to you where to look into the other windows, and you will see how they work together. I will select another object, and you will see that the corresponding objects in the other windows also get selected. Let's go one step further. In the bottom left hand window, I will select a few of these objects, and now I will attempt to copy them to another position on the drawing, but by using the different windows. So I will right click, select copy, press E on the keyboard to get endpoint snap and indicate the point. Moving on to the 3D window, I click on it once to change the focus, and now you will see the ghost image of these objects. Now let's say I want to place them 2.5 meters directly from the pickup position. I merely type in the command line 2500 and pressing the down arrow, Caddy places it in the correct position. Notice in the plan view the newly copied objects, also displayed in that window. Now let's say I want to get back to a single window. All I have to do is to right click, select viewport and select maximize. When I'm done and I want to get back to my different viewports, all I have to do is right click again, select viewport and select restore viewport, and I have my original viewport configuration back. And this is also very powerful during the drafting process, as I can see in multiple views when I draw, as you will see when I insert some dimensions on this drawing. If you enjoyed watching this video, click the like and subscribe buttons, and do not forget to send me your comments and requests. My details, as well as download links for the files used in creating this video, can be found in the description below. Happy drawing!